Welcome back to Real JeRi, where we explore development projects across Africa and the world. Today we're taking you to Uganda to explore the story of the Karuma Hydroelectric Power Station, a project that stands as a beacon of engineering achievement, national ambition, and regional integration. It's a transformative force that has reshaped Uganda's energy landscape, catalyzing economic growth, and positioned the country as a key player in East Africa's power sector. The Karuma Hydroelectric Power Station, with an installed capacity of 600 megawatts, is now Uganda's largest power-generating facility and a cornerstone of the nation's Vision 2040 development agenda. The commissioning of Karuma marked a pivotal shift for Uganda, propelling the country from a period of chronic power shortages to a new era of energy surplus and regional influence, bringing about economic transformation and connecting Uganda to its neighbors through the flow of reliable, affordable energy. Let's begin by setting the stage. Uganda's energy sector has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past 2 decades. In the early 2000s, the country was plagued by severe power crises, frequent outages, and a lack of reliable supply. The government responded with a bold strategy: invest in large-scale hydropower and diversify the energy mix. The Karuma project, located on the Kyoga Nile River in Kiryandongo district, stands as the largest and most ambitious of these investments. Its completion represents a major milestone in Uganda's journey toward energy self-sufficiency and economic modernization. The vision for Karuma was born out of necessity and foresight. Uganda's population and economy were growing rapidly, and the electricity demand was outpacing supply. The government recognized that without a dramatic increase in generation capacity, the nation's industrialization goals and quality of life improvements would remain out of reach. The Karuma project was conceived to address these challenges head-on, providing a reliable foundation for Uganda's future. The technical profile of the Karuma Hydroelectric Power Station is impressive. Strategically situated on the Kyoga Nile River, approximately 270 kilometers north of Kampala, the project features a roller-compacted concrete gravity dam, 14 meters high and 314 meters long. This dam harnesses the river's flow with minimal environmental disruption, reflecting a commitment to sustainable development. The powerhouse is located deep underground, housing 6 vertical Francis turbine-generator units, each rated at 100 megawatts. These turbines operate under a gross hydraulic head of 70 meters, with water conveyed through 6 massive concrete pressure shafts before being discharged back into the river via 2 parallel tail race tunnels. Karuma's design capacity of 600 megawatts is supported by a robust transmission infrastructure. The plant is integrated into Uganda's national grid through 400 kilovolt transmission lines, connecting Karuma to key substations and regional grids. This ensures that the electricity generated can be efficiently distributed across the country and exported to neighboring states. The plant is expected to produce approximately 4.37 billion kilowatt-hours of energy annually, a figure that has fundamentally altered Uganda's electricity supply dynamics. Construction of the Karuma Hydroelectric Power Station officially commenced on December 16, 2013. The project was executed by Sinohydro Construction Company, a leading Chinese hydropower firm with a global reputation for excellence. Financing was secured through a combination of loans and government funding, with the Export-Import Bank of China providing approximately 85% of the estimated $1.7 billion cost, and the Ugandan government covering the remaining 15%. Project management and quality assurance were overseen by AF Consult Switzerland, ensuring that international standards were maintained throughout the construction process. The journey from groundbreaking to commissioning was not without its challenges. The project faced significant delays due to land acquisition issues, quality control disputes, and design modifications. Securing rights-of-way for transmission lines and compensating affected communities proved complex and time-consuming. Disagreements between the government and the main contractor over quality standards led to further extensions of the timeline. Despite these hurdles, the project reached commercial operation in June 2024, with the official commissioning held in September 2024. The impact of Karuma on Uganda's electricity sector has been profound. Prior to its commissioning, Uganda's total installed capacity stood at approximately 1,346 megawatts. The addition of Karuma's 600 megawatts has pushed this figure to over 2,000 megawatts, creating a significant surplus relative to the national peak demand of about 800 megawatts. This surplus has enabled the country to expand access to electricity for households and businesses, support industrial growth, and reduce the frequency and duration of outages. Reliable and affordable power from Karuma is expected to lower operational costs for businesses, attract foreign investment, and stimulate economic activity across the nation. If you're finding this exploration insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Here at Real JeRi, we bring you the stories behind Africa's most transformative projects, so you never miss an update. Karuma's influence extends well beyond Uganda's borders. As a major electricity exporter in East Africa, Uganda plays a pivotal role in regional energy security and economic integration. The power generated at Karuma supports neighboring countries including Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, South Sudan, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, facilitating cross-border trade and cooperation. Uganda's electricity exports have grown significantly over the past decade, with volumes tripling between 2015 and 2024. This growth has generated substantial foreign exchange earnings and strengthened Uganda's geopolitical influence in the region. The country is actively investing in transmission infrastructure to enhance connectivity, including upgrading lines to Kenya and Tanzania and developing new interconnections to South Sudan. The Karuma project is a cornerstone of Uganda's strategy to foster a regional power pool, promoting collective energy security and economic development. This vision aligns with the East African community's goals for integrated infrastructure and market harmonization, positioning Uganda as a leader in regional cooperation. The reliable supply of electricity has enabled Uganda to support the industrialization and economic growth of its neighbors, deepening economic interdependence and fostering stability across the region. The socio-economic significance of Karuma cannot be overstated. The project has created thousands of jobs during construction and operation, providing employment opportunities for engineers, technicians, and local communities. The availability of affordable and reliable energy is a critical factor in reducing operational expenses for businesses, enhancing competitiveness, and attracting investment. Karuma's contribution to Uganda's Vision 2040 is clear. It is a fundamental enabler of industrialization, improved living standards, and national development. The Karuma project also demonstrated the critical role of adaptive management in responding to unforeseen challenges. These lessons are shaping Uganda's approach to future energy projects, fostering greater efficiency and accountability. Karuma's technical achievements are matched by its environmental considerations. The plant operates on a run-of-the-river design, which harnesses the natural flow and gravitational force of the river to generate electricity with minimal impoundment or large reservoir creation. This approach reduces environmental impact and supports sustainable development goals. The project's comprehensive grid integration strategy ensures that the generated power can be efficiently evacuated and distributed, underpinning both domestic supply reliability and Uganda's regional export ambitions. The increased Uganda's total electricity generation capacity therefore necessitates a reorientation of national energy strategy towards stimulating productive electricity consumption and expanding grid access. The government's energy connection policy, which subsidizes connection fees, is a direct response to this new challenge, aiming to increase connections and stimulate demand. The focus has moved from simply generating power to comprehensive energy economics and utilization. As Uganda continues to expand its energy infrastructure and deepen regional integration, Karuma will remain a cornerstone of these efforts. The project exemplifies the transformative potential of strategic investments in renewable energy and international collaboration. The lessons learned from Karuma's development will inform the successful and more efficient implementation of future large-scale infrastructure projects, ensuring greater accountability and value for money. The Karuma Hydroelectric Power Station stands as a testament to Uganda's vision, resilience, and commitment to sustainable development. It has transformed the country's energy landscape, providing reliable power to millions and catalyzing economic growth. Thank you for joining us on Real JeRi for this journey through the Karuma Hydroelectric Power Station. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Real JeRi for more stories about Africa's transformation. Until next time.